Alright, to make this cranberry apple cider, you're first going to need about 12 to 15 apples that are halved and cored, 1 orange, some cinnamon sticks and cloves, and then some cranberries. So getting out a large crock pot, you're just going to add in all of the ingredients. And then you're going to add in 8 cups of water. And then just cover that and set it aside for 3 to 5 hours or longer if you wanted to have stronger flavor. And then it should end up looking something like this, and then you're just going to mush it further down. It's kind of going to look gross, but it tastes good. So moving that aside, I'm going to get out a larger pot, and then I'm going to put some cheesecloth on it. You can also, if you don't have cheesecloth, you can also use a fine mesh strainer. It will do the same thing, and then you're just going to pour in the liquid. And then grabbing the ends of the cheesecloth, you're just going to pull it up like so, and then try to get out as much of the liquid as possible by squeezing the bag. Okay, so now you can leave it as is, but it's kind of not as tasty if you want to add sugar. So you can add maple syrup. I just added about a 1/3 cup. You can add about 1/4 to a 1/2 cup. Just add more or less depending on your taste preferences. And then you can serve this either hot or cold, and you can store it in your fridge in a 2-quart container.